In this video, I will guide you through how to set up the Ticket Tool bot in Discord. First, open your web browser and go to tickettool.xyz. Click on Invite Ticket Tool, then approve and invite it to your server. Once added, go back to Discord. At the top left, click your server name, go to Server Settings, and select Roles. Make sure the Ticket Tool role is above your member roles but below your owner or moderator roles. Next, create a role for your support staff. Click Create Role, name it Support, and assign it to the members who will handle tickets. Close the settings, then on the left side, right-click the channel list and select Create Category. Name the category Support. Inside this category, create a channel also named Support and click Create Channel. Now, return to your web browser, go back to the Ticket Tool site, log in with Discord, find your server, and click Manage. Create a panel by clicking Create One, give it a name, and click Create. Under General, select your support team role, in this case, Support, and save it. Then go back, select Category, choose your support category, and save again. Click back, then click Send at the top. Choose the channel where you want the panel to appear. Here, the Support channel, and click Send. When you return to Discord, you'll see the message posted in your support channel. Now, when a user clicks the button, a ticket will be created. And that's how you can set up a ticket bot in Discord. If you enjoyed this guide, subscribe for more easy Discord tutorials and leave a like to support the channel.